I made my first 1000 online using only free AI tools. And guess what? It only started with an idea and a curiosity that many of you might have. How can I earn passive income without spending a dime? Well, let me take you on a quick storytime adventure to show you how I turned AI into my little sidekick to create coloring books that now make me $500 every single week on Amazon KDP. So, here's how it all started. I stumbled across a free AI design tool called Craiyon. It's an AI image generator that doesn't cost a cent. Intrigued, I wondered if I could use it to create unique designs that could sell. That's when the idea hit me: coloring books. People love them, and the market is always looking for fresh new designs. With Crayon's help, I started creating intricate and beautiful coloring pages. Now imagine, within the first week, I had around 50 designs ready. Pretty cool, right? I then used Canva, another free tool, to compile these images into a PDF format, turning them into a book. The best part? It took just a couple of hours, and I was ready to upload my very first coloring book onto Amazon KDP. I remember feeling so excited yet nervous as I clicked that publish button. But here's the key moment: within the first month, I made my first $1,000. By the second month, my coloring books were consistently bringing in $500 a week. Now, let's dive into some numbers. On average, each book was priced at $9.99, and with Amazon's cuts, I earned about $4 per sale. Not bad for a zero investment project, right? The steps are simple. First, choose a niche for your coloring book. I went for mandalas and patterns because they have a steady demand. Then, generate your designs using Crayon or any other free AI tool you're comfortable with. Next, use Canva to arrange your pages, design an attractive cover, and compile everything into a single document. And finally, upload it to Amazon KDP. Here's a little tip: use relevant keywords in your title and description when listing your book on Amazon. More visibility means more sales. If I can do it, starting from scratch with no technical skills, so can you. If you've ever dreamed of financial freedom and earning money while you sleep, this is your